In this session, I will explain how to place watermarks to your document and how to place colors to your page and how to place borders to your document. So, in Design tab, we have all these three options to place backgrounds to your pages. Suppose here I want watermark. So, select the watermark, and here we have predefined set of watermarks like confidential, not to copy, like that, do not copy. Okay, automatically see watermark came here, do not copy. And if you select suppose confidential, it will come like that. But if you want your own watermark, then custom watermark is there. So, custom watermark, and instead of confidential, I am giving some other, suppose restricted. Like that I want to give. So, say OK. That particular matter will be as a watermark. And if you want some more watermarks from office.com, select this option, and for this you need internet connection compulsory. Okay, right now I am going to connect internet. So, okay, wait for a time. And before that, here we have remove watermark. So, watermark removed. Okay, we can add any watermark according to our need already which are in the list, or we can customize watermark, or we can retrieve watermarks from net also. Suppose I am clicking here and it has to open watermarks from office.com. See, no online content available. So, there is no content at all. And you can always use custom watermark, and here you can select picture as watermark. Select picture, it is asking. So, you have to select the picture from a file, means from browse, or suppose Bing image search I am giving. So, it is giving some pictures here. Select the particular one and you can apply that particular picture and say insert, and how you want to convert this file. Convert file into these styles of files we can convert to make that as watermark. Suppose I am selecting bitmap or JPG format. Finally, say OK. An error occurred while importing this file. Okay, and you select some other file if it is not comfort to insert. Suppose I am giving aeroplane and select any one and say insert. Okay, see directly that is a PNG file, then say apply or say OK. So here you can select some more options like wash out, etc. So there is a picture, but almost that is washed out. Again go to watermark and custom watermark. So existing watermark washout option I am removing here and say OK. See, like that we can adjust the watermarks, and we have some more options also here. Scale also we can change, suppose 200%. Large picture came here, that's why I am going to alter that one and reduce that to 50% scale. And if you don't want to scale means you set to auto, automatically it will set up that particular watermark. Okay, like that you can place text or picture or anything as a watermark. Next, page color is there. You can select, see, add a splash of colors to your document by changing the color of the page. See, you can change to any one of these colors. And you can also change by selecting more colors. You can mix your own color by clicking and dragging here, and finally set OK. A little bit of change here. And you can fill effects also. Predefined gradients will be there, and instead of one color you can select multicolors. Suppose I am mixing these two colors, it will be like this. And we have different kinds of fill effects like textures and like patterns, and even you can select picture also to fill up. Suppose I am selecting picture, and again from Bing we can select the required picture. Suppose I am going to select this one, say insert, and it is asking some conversion. Okay, leave it the first one as it is. Whether it is converting or not, we will see. It is not converting. So if it is asking conversion means you go for some other picture. Suppose I am selecting this one, and of course this one, and say insert, and it's also asking. And suppose I am selecting bitmap, it's not converting. Like that you can particular pictures only you can able to use. Suppose this one we can insert, I think, mostly. Okay, so like that you can change the page color using colors, textures, patterns or gradients, or by selecting pictures like this. Okay, and you can also set up page borders. Before that, if you don't want any color, say no color, and if you don't want any watermark, remove watermark. And I am going to set the borders for this page. Borders, how you want the borders? First you have to select none. You want box type of border? Yes, I want box type of border. And what is the color of the border? Color of the border also you can select. Suppose I am selecting the red one, and width of the border also you can change. Okay, And if you set OK means, see, the line alone will come, and to each and every page the border will come. If you want the border instead of lines, if you want some other arts, there are some predefined arts, you can use those arts as a border. So, suppose I am going to select this one. So, that will be the border to you. Or otherwise, you can see these are the predefined borders. Suppose I am selecting this. These are the different arts to your page border. Okay, like that I can change the background of the page by through watermark or page color or page border. Suppose I don't want the border, then go for none. Okay, and here we have option also, apply to whole document or particular session or first page only. Like that also we can select. Suppose only first page removed, and of course all borders removed. Next time I am going to place the border for only first page. This section first page only it is asking. Okay, and I am giving some color to that one. I am setting OK. See the next page, see it is not having any border. So like that I can set up all these backgrounds. Okay,